Here, chemical control and regulation or chemical integration, we say like that. Here, in our body, we have two types of glands, exocrine gland and endocrine gland. Exocrine glands are duct consisting glands which are connected to any part of the body with the help of the ducts, and endocrine glands are ductless glands. Comparatively to the nervous system, chemical integration and control is little bit slow procedure, and here the chemicals are secreted, and these chemicals are known as hormones. Okay, tell me the properties of hormones. Properties of hormones. Specific features of the hormone, yes? Messenger. But we can take the word, our hormones are chemical messengers.
Yes.
Okay, so endocrine system in human body. Hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers. Then next point. Hormones are chemical messengers. These are chemicals which carry the specific message. Then, okay, directly poured in blood. Good. Then, sorry? Okay, very least amount. Very least quantity, right? Very less quantity, but important effect. Then, slow process, okay. Little bit okay. Carry on then. Non-functional at the site of the origin. Hormones જ્યાંથી સિક્રેટ થાય છે, સિન્થેસાઇઝ થાય છે, ત્યાં એની કોઈ ઇફેક્ટ નથી. Specific hormone has its targeted cells. particular specific cells on that hormone can activate. And no any type of the effect can be replaced by the other type of the hormone. कोई hormone ની effect છે બીજું કોઈ hormone એને compensate નહીં કરી શકે. Suppose અત્યારે growth hormone secrete નથી થતો તો growth hormone નું function બીજું કોઈ hormone ન કરી શકે. એ growth hormone નું function growth hormone જ કરે. મી કહેવાનો meaning એ majority these things that hormones are chemical messengers at the site of origin, no effect. They are directly poured in the blood, reach to the targeted region and show its specific effect. And during any type of the metabolic process, hormones are totally used. Hormone totally used થઈ જાય છે. આ એટલા માટે કેવું કર્યું કે એન્ઝાઇમ જે છે after particular activity enzyme regain in its original state. આપણને એન્ઝાઇમ પાછો મળી જાય છે. એ ખાલી પ્રોસેસને સ્ટિમ્યુલેટ જ કરે છે, એગ્રાવેટ જ કરે છે. ઓકે, સો હોર્મોન્સ આર યુઝડ during any type of the reaction. એ લખી નાખશો ને? એ તો તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે. चलो हाँ वर्ल्ड चैप्टर ની હાઇલાઇટ આપી દો બરાબર. એટલે તમને ખ્યાલ આવે કે આપણે કઈ કઈ સ્ટડી કરવાની છે. in brain we will learn these three glands. Pituitary, hypothalamus and pineal gland. These three glands. Move little bit down. Thyroid and parathyroid. Little bit move down in the chest region, thymus gland. Little bit move down over the kidney, adrenal gland. Little bit you move down, pancreas. Little bit you move in the pelvic cavity, in male testes and in female ovary. So we are talking about the gonads. This many glands we will learn in this chapter. But along with that, some organs of our body are not actually endocrine glands, but acts as an endocrine gland. So these are known as accessory endocrine glands. Fine? So એમાં થોડા ટોપિક્સ આપણે સ્ટડી કરવાના છે. એન્ડ ધ લાસ્ટ ટોપિક ઇઝ મિકેનિઝમ ઓફ ધી હોર્મોન એક્શન. એટલે ટાઈપ ઓફ ધી હોર્મોન એન્ડ હાઉ ધ હોર્મોન કેન વર્ક ઓન ધી સ્પેસિફિક સેલ. આટલું કરવાનું છે. હા ચલો ફાઇન. સો ફર્સ્ટ ગ્લેન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ that is hypothalamus gland. હાઇપોથેલેમસ ગ્લેન્ડ 2 માર્ક ક્વેશ્ચન, પણ આપણે થિયરીમાં જો લેશું તો તમને શું, otherwise you have to remember only 2 hormones of this, right? Only 2 hormones of this gland. પછી આપણે ચેપ્ટરની એન્ડિંગમાં આખું એન્ડોક્રાઇન સિસ્ટમ મેક્સિમમ 5 to 10 મિનિટ્સમાં રિવિઝન કરશું. એટલે આપણે આખા ચેપ્ટરમાં શું સ્ટડી કર્યું તમને હાઇલાઇટ થઈ ગયું. રાઈટ. હાઇપોથેલેમસ ઇઝ સિચ્યુએટેડ બિલો ધી થેલેમસ. secrete neurohormones. The hormones secreted from the hypothalamus are known as neurohormones. Controls function of pituitary hormones or pituitary gland. Neurohormones are of two types. તમને મજા આવશે. પાછળમાં બધામાં એચ લાગશે. એ છે હોર્મોન. ક્યાં પડશે? તો બાકી ફૂલ નેમ યાદ રાખવાના છે. RH, known as releasing hormone. By reading this, you understand it easily. समझाओ नहीं ध्यान से प्रयोग करो आप ग्लैंड्स ग्लैंड्स तो बोल कर दो समझता जाओ हम जाओ जरूरत नहीं सुबह completed? See, hypothalamus it is situated below the thalamus, secreting neurohormones, and hypothalamus controls the pituitary gland. By secretion of these neurohormones, neurohormones are of two types: releasing hormone and releasing inhibitory hormone. जो एक वस्तु खास ध्यान में रखो કે તમને પિટ્યુટરી ગ્લેન્ડ આના પછી એક્સપ્લેન કરવાનો જ છું એનો કોઈ પણ હોર્મોન હોય ને એની પાછળ RH ઓર RIS લગાવી દેવાનું તમે કોઈ પણ લખી શકો છો હોર્મોન પણ એનું ફંક્શન તમારે લખવાનું રહે just for example here see releasing hormone it's a common hypothalamic hormone. Releasing hormone stimulates the pituitary gland to release the particular hormone. Right? And releasing inhibitory hormone can inhibit the function of the pituitary gland to inhibit or to decrease or to stop the particular hormone. Just for example here, GHRH is given there. Hello. Growth hormone it is also known as somatotropic hormone. Pituitary gland में આવશે wait growth hormone तो famous છે હે આપણે ઘણા ટાઈમથી growth hormone ભણતા હતા so growth hormone releasing hormone it is secreted from the hypothalamus gland and this hormone gives the message to the pituitary gland to release the growth hormone. Actually, growth hormone is not synthesized here. Growth hormone is synthesized in the pituitary gland and released from that gland. But the releasing of that growth hormone, the message is given by the hypothalamus in this. So, growth hormone stimulates protein synthesis as well as cell division inside our body. As a result, growth is promoted or growth is stimulated. We say like that. For example, at one moment there is no requirement of the growth. Growth continue નથી થતો. Growth ક્યારેક stop પણ થઈ જાય છે. So at that time when growth is inhibited, so growth hormone secretion is inhibited by the growth hormone inhibitory hormone or growth hormone releasing inhibitory hormone. So growth hormone releasing inhibitory hormone gives the message to the pituitary gland that inhibit the release of the growth hormone. આ બધું છે ને મેસેજમાં અંદર અંદર બોડીમાં વાતો થતી હોય રિલીઝ થવું એટલે બહાર નીકળવું એમ બરાબર ને આપણે કેમ કોઈ મૂવી રિલીઝ થયું એમ કહીએ એન્ડ ઇનહિબિટ ડિક્રીઝ થઈ જાય ઓકે ક્લિયર so this is about the hypothalamus. Any doubt here? Okay, fine. Let me continue with the next gland. Adrenal, pituitary gland. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंडनी આજે ખાલી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપું છું. કાલે આપણે 1 અવર એ પિટ્યુટરી ગ્લેન્ડ ડિસ્કસ કરશું. હા, એટલું બધું છે એમાં એટલે હવે કરવા જેવું નથી. લોટ્સ ઓફ હોર્મોન્સ છે એમાં. 1 by 1 hormones will take it in detail. Huh? Pituitary gland is known as master gland of the body. Yes, second master gland, but majority all the glands are controlled by the pituitary gland. So previously it is believed that pituitary gland is the first master gland of the body, but later on it is declared that pituitary gland is actually controlled by the hypothalamus gland. And that's why hypothalamus is the first master gland of the body. It is situated in the pit of this sphenoid bone, and the pit of this sphenoid bone it is known as the sella turcica. So pituitary gland it is situated in the sella turcica. Pituitary gland it is divided into two parts, adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis is there two parts of the pituitary gland. Anterior part and middle part. So adenohypophysis it is divided into two parts, anterior portion and middle portion, whereas posterior portion it is included in neurohypophysis. Now, I can make a list of the particular hormones in the anterior, middle as well as posterior part, right? And we will take it in detail of each and every hormone later on. Not getting any point? Which point? All? Very good.
First get
So you will get it. No?
growth hormone.
See here, I can repeat all the hormones. Here I have written only short forms. Huh? Growth hormone, somatotropic hormone. Wait, later on I will tell you. Don't worry. All these hormones we will take it in detail one by one. Just right now I am telling the name only. જેટલા યાદ રહે એટલા યાદ રાખો. આમાંથી અમુક તો તમને ખબર જ હશે, 10th માં આવી જશે. ગ્રોથ હોર્મોન, સોમેટોટ્રોપિક હોર્મોન, પ્રોલેક્ટિન હોર્મોન, prolactin inhibitory hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormones, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and combinedly known as gonadotropin hormone. And this is not given there. Textbook માં PIH અને ICSH નહીં આપ્યું હોય. Interstitial cell stimulating hormone. So these all are the hormones from the anterior part. Middle part, it secretes only one hormone known as melanocyte stimulating hormone. As you know, that this MSH regulates the melanin pigment formation inside the body, and it regulates the skin color. Posterior part, ADH, antidiuretic hormone, also known as vasopressin, or we say that pitressin, and oxytocin. These two hormones are secreted from the posterior pituitary gland. Okay, so this is the list of these hormones. We will take it in next lecture in detail one by one. Fine? I can stop now.